We recently completed Dibble's Progress Monitoring Round 6, so now I need to analyze the phonemic awareness and nonsense word fluency data for my first grade students. Taking a look at nonsense word fluency correct letter sounds tells me that this student needs support with letter sounds and blending because they scored below the aim line for both subtests. Nonsense word fluency assesses students' knowledge of sound spelling patterns, as well as whether students can automatically blend those sounds into words. For phonemic awareness, this student scored above the aim line, which means that they can fluently segment individual phonemes. This progress monitoring data is telling me that a lot of my students need additional support with letter sounds. So I'm going to have to dig into the nonsense word fluency correct letter sound subtest to determine which letter sounds I need to hit for review during the segmenting and blending portion of the lesson. Overall, I have one student on track for reading words automatically. One student is also on track or scoring above the aim line for hearing all sounds and segmenting. 7 students still need help with segmenting, and I have 12 students still needing letter sound support and practice blending words to read them automatically. Right now, they are segmenting every sound before they blend the word, which is too slow to meet the end of year benchmark. Now that I've analyzed the progress monitoring data, I'm going to strategically pair students for partner reading. In lesson 20, which is going to be taught in about 2 days, the lesson plan calls for partner reading. I'm going to continue to pair the students who scored at or above benchmark on the middle of year Dibble's assessment. Those will be the students in the gummy worms and bears group. And I actually have quite a few students who are in that group. These students will go off to different parts of the room to read with their partner and complete the activity page. The students who continue to not make aim line growth, they are going to echo read with me on the carpet for 6 minutes. I will then release those students to read 2 or 3 sentences of the story on page 54. While those students are reading independently with a partner, I'm going to circulate to give these students feedback. Based on the progress monitoring data, I know that these students who are on the carpet with me still need support with letter sounds, as well as blending those sounds to read the word. So I'm thinking about the feedback that is at the bottom of the data in hand sheet that I use and have on my clipboard. So when students are getting stuck with those letter sounds, my feedback or my prompt will be what sound. Also, I'll have them watch what my mouth does. If a student demonstrates that they know the sounds, I'm going to have to model for them and showing them that I can blend the sounds to read the whole word.